Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually find image by ID or images in your WordPress websites, all the media images, videos, files, anything that you have uploaded or you wanted to upload, and etc. in your website. So first of all, please make sure to go to your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there you will have this page right here. Of course, you will have to log in before this will open for you by going into your email and grab your username and password and putting it in this page. Now, after this page will be open for you, what you have to do is, for example, let's go to posts and let's check one of our posts that we have already made, which is this one. I think it has some pictures inserted in it. Okay, not okay. What I am going to do is let's add a media. Let's wait. Okay, and let's add this one here. This all the information about your media, and now let's put it in here. So just like so, we click on update. Now after we added this media in here, it should be or must be added to our media in this section. So if we go to media, we will find this in here. Of course, you can add more files, more videos, or anything you want by clicking on add new. You can just drag a file, for example, or you can just click on select files, and from here you can drag whatever file you want. For example, you want like word thing, you want like pictures, videos, PDF, or whatever the file you wanted it to be. So you guys, here where you can find all the medias, here you can filter it with images, audio, video. So here is the types, some archives, spreadsheets, documents. Here is the date if you want to filter them with the date. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next videos. Bye bye.